It is Monday, June 16th, and we are painting the far side of the camper since we finished this side. And I don't know if I've shown what we're using. We're using a Matthews 2-part paint, and we're using a rolling additive with it and a catalyst. So it's a 3-1-1 mix. We're using rollers that are walls, siding, and porches. They don't seem to disintegrate under the 2-part paints. You can see here we have been using those, and chip brushes to cut in around stuff. Here's our mixing cups, and we've been using the 3-1-1 to mix our paints. I use the reducer just to clean my brushes. I haven't really reduced the paint at all with this. And cleanup is a nice acetone. I am waiting for the paint to dry enough that I can start taping off everything to put details in. Here's the other side of the camper, and you can see that we've gotten the base coat in, and we just need to come back through and wait for that paint to dry enough that I can tape off everything. I've got a big canvas back here that I'm pretty excited about. I've got ideas of what's going to go back here, and you'll just have to wait to see that, I suppose. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.